Tesla has just released a new video of its Optimus humanoid robot running across a laboratory floor, and it feels like a small science fiction scene dropped into real life. Shared on the social media platform X from the official Tesla Optimus account, and then amplified by Elon Musk with the simple caption, "Running Robot," the clip shows Optimus jogging in a smooth and controlled way instead of the cautious walking people saw before. The message from Tesla is clear. This robot is not only learning to stand and walk, it is learning to move like a person. Running sounds simple, but for a robot with 2 legs, it is a huge leap. To run, Optimus has to manage balance, control its center of gravity, and coordinate every step in real time while its body is in the air between strides. That means more advanced software, smarter control of every joint, and hardware that can handle quick shifts in weight. Tesla's comment about setting a new personal record in the laboratory is not just a joke. It hints that the company is tracking measurable performance gains step by step, as if Optimus were an athlete in training. This progress also fits into the larger vision Tesla has for Optimus. The company has spoken about building these robots in very high volumes and eventually sending them into factories and other workplaces to handle unsafe, repetitive, or boring jobs. Seeing Optimus run suggests that Tesla is moving closer to robots that can move with confidence through changing environments instead of being stuck in one safe corner of the floor. It is still a controlled laboratory demonstration on a clean and flat surface, but the direction is clear. At the same time, there are important questions that this video does not answer. Viewers do not see Optimus avoiding obstacles, climbing stairs, or carrying out tasks while moving at speed. People still do not know how long it can run on a single battery charge, how durable the joints are under constant impact, or how much of the motion is fully autonomous instead of carefully scripted. These details will matter if Optimus is going to leave the laboratory and step into real factories, warehouses, and busy public spaces.